Okay, yeah, we got the I-40 blues last night. We spun on over here once we got off the trail. There's a little camp spot we was going to camp at. There's only about one spot left. And so we came to the Quality Inn here in Alma. And we're getting ready to go to Cracker Barrel and eat us a good breakfast. And then go see a really good friend of ours that we haven't seen for a long time. She's had a couple of kids and her husband's not going to be there, but we're going to try to get on over there and spend a little time with her today and go see a chicken ranch. We just did it. We just did it. We had her eggs and bacon. She's finishing off the apple baked crisp
baked apple French toast.
Baked apple French toast. And it was awesome. And then our biscuits and gravy. We already checked out of the room. We'd probably go take a nap. But here we go. We'll get done with this. We're going to go see Brooke. Maybe we'll show you guys a chicken farm. Whew. Man, that was good. And expensive. And we could probably went to Texas Roadhouse and had a steak for what we just been on breakfast, but we got full, didn't we?
Yeah.
It was good, wasn't it? Mm-hmm. Now we're gonna hop on I-40 and get the I-40 blues, burn up some highway and go to the chicken farm. Missed it. We are back in Oklahoma. We just missed the sign that was on the road. We're cutting down Highway 9. Again, I can't keep the windshield clean. No, we're entering the Choctaw Nation of Oklahoma. That looks like that's probably Poto. What is that? Kavanaugh Hill? What's the name of that?
Yep.
Yeah, Kavanaugh Hill. It's the tallest. I think it's the tallest
hill in Oklahoma. It's a foot short of being a mountain.
It's 1 foot short of being a mountain, and it's the tallest hill. I think it's the tallest hill
in the United States.
Maybe anywhere. I don't think there's another hill that's that close to being a mountain. Huh. I'd have to look that up. I got a good friend of mine that lives there too. I have to call him, and I'll get back with you. All right, on our way to the chicken ranch with Brooke and the two kiddos, Charlie and Cooper. Charlie's gonna show us the chicken ranch. Charlie, you gonna show me the chickens? Yeah. All right. Whoop, which way we? I'm watching you. I'm following you.
Go in there.
That's it. Oh yeah.
Store all the eggs.
Oh, probably. That's a lot of eggs. Those all be full by the next day?
No, just 2 parts. We do 2 parts a day.
2 parts a day.
Yeah, on each side.
How many is that?
Almost 8,000 eggs.
Oh.
For each house.
Huh?
For each house, so about 16,000 a day.
Oh, okay.
Jeez.
15,000 eggs a day.
here. Come on. You can do it. She knows. Step in the powder.
Oh, look at the egg. What's your step, huh? Holy cow. Are you kidding me? What do you think about it? You like the chickens? Yep. Nope, let's don't touch that. Yeah. Huh?
It's raising up.
Oh, it is raising up, isn't it? Let's raise them up so we can walk through the chicken. There's a whole nother row of them over here. Look at this. Crazy. Look at it. Holy cow. Yeah, it's a light. Mm-hmm. Yeah. She's raising the line for her.
Another rooster. There's a bunch of them over there. Look at all the roosters, Tony.
Mommy, up here.
Yep.
Up here. Mommy, up here.
Yep, she's up there.
Chicken.
It doesn't stink in here. Like it, I mean, it smells.
You get used to it.
I'm already used to it. Then,
Oh,
oh, there's another egg.
What we can do with it?
Doesn't have any coating on it. She's already brought me one. What y'all doing with them? Just stick them in the bin?
Yeah. They have to walk, hired hands walk the whole floor and pick up all the eggs that are on the floor and put them in there. There's a belt in the middle of these, and that's what she's doing. The conveyor belt brings the eggs down to the table, and they put them onto the trays, and then push them into the cooler.
So you stick them in the hole? Or?
No, you don't have to. They'll end up rolling down. It's like a gravity. Got it? Good job.
Oh, does it vibrate?
Yeah, when the belt runs.
Oh, that's neat.
And the hens eat out of that feeder, and then the roosters can only eat out of this feeder.
Okay.
Yeah, so you see that pipe? You see that pipe on that guard on the hen feeder? When a rooster puts its head in there, it hits their comb, and so it backs them out, and they can't eat it. So they can't eat out of the hen feed.
Okay. Well, I see. That's why you got the wire. They got to get their head all the way in it to eat. And is that your water dishes up here? Okay, water. That's neat.
500 foot.
Each, and you got 3 of
2 of them. So on the other side is another barn, is another house. So we got two 500 foot houses.
Oh, okay.
They're just connected.
Hey, baby.
Yep, put the egg in
You
there.
got another egg?
Baby egg.
Where you gonna put it? Show me where you put it.
Go put it up there.
Walking softly.
Good job.
Heck yeah.
So like these right here, these are called cool cells. So that's how we keep the temperature of the barn with those curtains. So in the summertime it's 100 degrees. Those cool cell pads, they get wet, and the fan with the fans in here pulls the air through here and keeps cool air going through the whole
So it pulls it in here and pushes it down the building.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I see the coolers on the outside.
Right now they're not running because it's cool enough. Hey, hold on, Mama's got to fix a min dent real quick.
You gotta do what? There's a lot of chickens in here, Charlie, and roosters.
Mama, mommy, calm down.
What's that?
Calm down.
Coming down?
What's coming down? Mama coming down? Yep. She's gonna come back down. So how long do you
We keep them till they're 65 weeks.
keep them till they're 65 weeks and then they bring you more?
Yeah.
So somebody else owns the chickens?
Yeah, so OK Foods, the Choco Foods owns the chickens, and then they pay us to raise them and get the eggs. The eggs go to a hatchery in Stigler, and they get hatched out to be meat chickens. So they go to like other farms around here, and they raise them until they get to 8 pounds, and then they go to the slaughterhouse.
The eggs that y'all produce? Okay. So these are chickens making more chicken.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a lot of chicken.
Sorry, 2 million birds. Oh.
Well, it seemed I lost a video clip. We said goodbye to Brooke, and Charlie, and Cooper, and went on about our way down to Roberts Cave State Park, where they actually had a fall fest going on, so it was so packed that we decided to just take some of the back road trails and explore some of that while
Cattail Pond and
do what?
Cattail Pond Trail and Campground.
Cattail Pond Trail and Campground.
I think that's what it was. Yeah.
I'm thinking this is probably going to be the Cattail Pond, which probably about to have dried up by the time we get there. Looks like some oil field lease roads up in here in part of the park, and they've made a little back roading trail out of it. Hopefully it loops all the way around, and there's also horsebacking, mountain biking, and yeah, so we're gonna go up here. We missed Lake Wallace Lake.
road.
No. Okay, well apparently this is just an old lease road. It is not a loop. Well, that even shows it, does it? No, it shows it going right to there. Okay. Okay. It shows it kind of loop on Google's maps, but I think it's crossing up some drainage areas and some other stuff that may be backpacking trails in there is. So yeah, we're gonna crawl back out here. It does go by the campground and a little pond, but yeah, it's pretty much unmaintained lease road. Didn't all feel well back in there. So 2 or 3 of them back in here. Anyhow, I'm gonna go back out and I'll see if we can make it over to the caves and show you a little bit of that. Coming back through the little downtown Eufaula, Oklahoma. Very neat little lake town. Has definitely revitalized itself in the last 4 or 5 years. It was really kind of becoming a...
Sharps is really making a comeback.
It is making a big comeback. Guy bought the marina, redone the marina. I think he even bought Jellystone, made a big water park down there. Opened it all back up. But yeah, it's kind of a neat little town. Got the old kind of colonial type fixings to downtown. Unfortunately, we can't see much of it because we got the transit system in front of us. But sometime today. There you go. Didn't catch much of it, but right here on the town of Lake Eufaula, we used to come down here for a bass tournament every year. A lot of fishermen come down here and stay. A lot of fishing tournaments here. One of the best crappie lakes in the state, bar none. Another Jeep, all jacked up. Wetumpka, Oklahoma. And just like every small town in Oklahoma now, it's the Dollar General. Have the little clothes shop. Sometimes they still got a grocery store. But yeah, Wetumpka, Oklahoma. Ooh, they got a Dairy Queen. Busy too.
And a food truck.
What?
A food truck. They got a grocery store.
Yep, they do still have a supermarket. Oh, there's downtown way down there. Sorry. Hope it don't make y'all sick. Yep, they. Guys, if you're still with us, I'm glad that you watched the channel with us and took the time to go for a little ride with us. We enjoyed it. We had fun with Brooke and the kids today. We decided at this point we were going to unplug the cameras, turn everything off, and head for the house. It's been a long week, and thanks for coming for a ride with us. We'll see you on the next one.